Yesterday, one of my favorite clients sent me a text and he's like, "Hey, phone calls have slowed down. Like, I'm sensing something's up." I looked into it and everything's pretty normal. Like, his website and everything ranks the same as it has been. That he's using advertising. A few weeks ago, he was getting like 3 or 4 calls a day. Now he's getting like 1 to 2. So there has been a difference, but nothing else has changed and it looks completely normal to me. Like, the point is, all these things ebb and flow, and that's just something to expect in your business. This happens to every business I've ever been aware of, and there's like a term for it. I think it's zeitgeist. Zeitgeist is like the idea that like all the people in society, they kind of like move together, or like kind of like a flock of birds or something, and no one really knows why it happens. But you have things like pay periods, holidays, school schedules, weather, and these things affect a ton of people, and it affects things like the number of phone calls that you have coming into your business. Like, a perfect example is at Adapt on the last week of January. I think I talked to like 20 different business owners about marketing stuff. We're 2 weeks into February, and I think I've talked to about 10 people so far in February. So that's like, what, 25% of what it was 3 weeks ago. But I'm not sweating it because I just look at the average numbers over time. I'm used to this choppiness. But if you're new to business, or especially if like you're new to marketing and you're experiencing volume that you haven't experienced before, you're going to experience a lot of ups and downs. The way to stay sane and to make sense of it is to average these numbers over time, like plot them on charts. So if you can see like over 12 months, your lead count is going down, maybe that is something to worry about. But if it's like today feels slower than last Tuesday, like it's probably not a huge deal. So take a deep breath. It's okay. And realize that all this stuff ebbs and flows, and it's not just for you. It does this for everybody.